Friends, this problem they are given in a JNTU recently. Now find integral over v I plus j plus k dv. Friends, you see integral over v is nothing but triple integral only. So are they given any region surface bounded by? No. So here if you want to evaluate this, first here you observe, is there any xyz terms? No. So no need to convert into dv as a dx dy dz. So you can take I plus j plus k as a common, then you will have integral v dv. Now integral of dv, 1 dv is nothing but what? V only, na? So I plus j plus k into v, where v is what here? Volume of what they are given a surface, based on that surface. Are they given any surface here? No. So this is the solution. Friends, you see, suppose may they will give the surface here sphere or a cylinder like differently, may they will give in different way. That time we need to write the formulas for that. Okay, na? Second problem, you see, friends, if r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then find del dot r bar dv. They are given this problem also. Friends, you see, del dot r bar is nothing but divergence of r bar, that is dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z, we can write. So what is f1 means here? X. So dou x by dou x is 1 plus dou y by dou y is 1 plus dou f3 by means dou f1 by I have written, so dou f2 is y, na? So dou y by dou y is 1, dou f3 means here dou z by dou z, that is also 1. So you will have here del dot r bar is 3. So the triple integral v del dot r bar you can write is a triple integral v 3 dv, nothing but 3 you can write outside. Then integral of 1 dv, integral of 1 dv is nothing but 3v. Based on the v you will write the volume. Okay, na? Here given problem is evaluate triple integral over v del dot f bar dv, where f bar is equal to 2x plus 3z times of I minus xz plus y times of j plus y square plus 2z times of k, and the surface is bounded by the sphere having the center 3 minus 1 2 and the radius is 3. Friends, you see what we have to evaluate? Del dot f bar dv. So first you observe, are they given f bar or not? Yes, they are given a f bar. Now what you need to find? Del dot f bar. So del dot f bar is nothing but divergence. So in this case, what is the formula you have? Dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Yes or no? Now with respect to x, dou f1 means f1 is this one. With respect to x, if you are done, then what you will have? 2, and minus with respect to y, if you are done, then what you will have? 1, 2 minus 1, plus with respect to z, if you are done, then what you will have? This is 2. So 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So here you have the del dot f bar is 3. Now triple integral v, this value is 3 into dv. So 3 is a constant, you can write outside. Now 1 dv is nothing but what is the integral of triple integral 1? You will have v. What is the v here? V is a volume of the surface. What they given here? The surface is nothing but a sphere with a radius 3. So what is the formula we have for a sphere? Volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So what is the r they are given here? 3. So you will have 4 by 3 pi r cube is nothing but 3 cube. Here 3 getting cancelled. Now 3 cube is nothing but 27. 27 times of 4 is nothing but 108 into pi. So this is the answer.